Folks, welcome back to the chrome shop in the middle of nowhere. We got Joyride sleeping down in here. Down here working on our next big thing to come from the company. And if you look, you can see it right off. I can't show you that yet. We're going to talk the economy of waste oil furnace. It's a balmy 68 in the chrome shop in the middle of nowhere here this evening. This is a CB2800. It's a 250,000 BTU unit. I got it used secondhand. I paid $2,600 for it. Divide that out. I fully expect this thing to last me a solid 20 years. So 2,600, 20 years. 2,600, 20 years is roughly 125 a year. I figure I mess around about an hour a month, 3 months a year. So $300 worth of labor, roughly. So it cost me 125, 300, 425 a year to heat this building and equipment and I guess lost opportunity costs, you could call it. I used to heat this building on LP and it cost me $400 to $600 a year. LP's nearly, what, 50, almost double, I think, since those days. So $800 to $1,200 it would cost to heat it on LP. So let's see, 800 versus my previous 425. That's so the saving is $375. Pays me about $375 a year to have it. You know, maintenance, a little bit will come out of that, but it's actually decent. And as you saw, we keep it 68 degrees. Well, when we're in here working on top secret stuff we can't talk about. 60 to 64 the rest of the time. Now a new unit would cost you triple that. So that would put that close to it, about a wash. And you can see I got to make a lid for this, but we just hoist the totes up there and it's piped through into the building. Cradle to grave responsibility. As a shop, you're responsible for oil from generation to proper disposal. And the EPA, I suppose the DNR would probably cover that too, can come in at any time and ask for your records of where oil was legally and approved of disposed. And this bad boy gets me off that hook. As far as I'm concerned, if they come in, ask for my records, you know, 1,500 gallons a year since we purchased this has gone through this machine. So there you have it. If you generate a lot of waste oil, we're at 1,500 gallons and counting. It pays to own one. Thanks for watching.